Ole Wen is just up there, and I'm just by this lake. Walk past Trowel, which is just behind that way, and it's good to be on the last stretch of the Welsh 3000s. So the weather's a bit terrible. Visibility up there is probably going to be also terrible, but I've got my map, compass, I've got my phone, I know where I'm going. Once I get to the top of Ole Wen, it's just all the way to the last stop. This place is so dynamic and moody, like all the clouds are like rolling in behind me. It's so good. So now I'm going to backtrack a little bit, scramble up here, get to Ole Wen. I really need to hoof it today because I'm not going to be camping out here tonight. I'm going to try and walk back to where I've parked in one day. So yeah, let's go! Right, I think that this is Ole Wen. Not entirely sure. It says I'm like on top of it on my phone, so God knows. This looks like it. This looks like a ridiculous massive cairn. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is this the summit of Ole Wen? I'm probably wrong. Oh, I don't know if that was the summit. I bopped it anyway. Did it? We're going down. We might actually go up again in a minute. Very eerie with all the fog, proper in the clothes. Lots of flipping sheep staring at me. I'm like, what the fuck are you staring at, you little shitbag? I like sheep though, not too much. It's when they kind of like don't realise that you're there, and then they suddenly go, and then they stare at you. Like this one, look, oi! You don't give a shit. Fuck me, I literally just came way off. Started going all the way down, back into the Ogwen Valley. That's not what I want to be doing. Whoop the phone out, and I'm back on track. That must have been the summit back up there, because now we're at this kind of crossroadsy bit. See you at the crossroads, crossroads, crossroads. See you at the crossroads. Wonderful. Just gonna follow this round now to Carneddau, which is the next stop on the Welsh 3000s. Oh my God. When the sun peeks through, you can see for miles. You just missed that. Oh well. So most people tend to go up Snowdon on the weekends, and yeah, I mean that's fine, it's great. It's the tallest mountain in Wales, it's a famous mountain, but there's so much more out here that you just don't realise exists until you get up here. Like, look at this, just this amazing view. And there's nobody up here, nobody. I bet Snowdon right now is teeming with people, and I'm the only bugger up here. So I need to have a serious chat with you right now, because I really want to just get this done. I don't know, I've got it in me, I just want to get this done today. Get to the last peak, which is Foel Fras, whatever it's called, and then I'm going to walk back. So I'm going to try not to pee about with too much filming today. I might chew your ears off. A lot of you seem to be enjoying it when I talk a lot more. I don't know why. I have nothing important to say. I have nothing really clever to say either. I just fucking come out on these walks and make some footage, make some movies. But I'm really glad that you're enjoying them. Like so much. Really glad you're enjoying them. Now, I've had a couple of ideas for the future of my channel, and basically what I want to be doing is providing people with things that they want to do with what I'm doing. Merchandise is one. I'm going to be going through a big rebrand of my channel and really thinking about what I'm communicating. I'm always developing that. Once I get that done, I was thinking about doing some like flip books with photographs and trail maps. You know the maps that I do for my intros of my hikes? I was thinking about doing some posters of those, so if you like the sound of that, let me know in the comments section. But another big plan that I've got is to eventually create a 6-week online course on how to make adventure videos. So I'm kind of going to be like the Bob Ross of YouTube, teaching you how to, instead of paint landscapes, film the things. So let me know what you think of that idea. I think I get a lot of questions about how I edit my videos and how I put them together, how I make the maps, how I come up with ideas, how I sequence it all together into a story. So that's going to be in the pipeline. That'll all be on my website. And of course I've got the Trail Creators podcast, which I haven't actually been keeping up with. Just been too busy with work, and before the clocks go back I want to get as much hiking in as possible. So yeah, I will be doing the podcast. It will be coming soon with another one. I did ask Brave Dave if he wanted to do it, but I haven't heard from him. Might bump into him up here. Be like, oi, Dave, thought you were going to do my bloody podcast. Dave, Brave Dave, if you're watching, I'm waiting for you. More plans, PCC next year. Can't wait for that. I'm trying to get a lot of this stuff that I'm talking about done before I go on that. Oh, this is like so much easier than the first half that I did 2 weeks ago. Once you're up here, it's much flatter, much flatter. Much flatter than the Snowdonia range, much flatter than the Glitter range. Just kind of following this kind of lump all the way along. Right, I've got to check where I am. Woohoo! See the sun's shining on it? I don't know where the bloody hell I am. I'm just going to keep following this path here.
I don't really know what to say, honestly.
So I was just coming up to Carneddau, and this is Dave.
Hey everyone.
What's your channel, mate?
It's Outdoors with Dave on YouTube. There's not many subscribers at the moment, but hopefully that'll change in the future, but we shall see.
Yeah, well, I'll put you on the vid.
We've been following the Trail Hunter for a while now.
Yeah, lad.
Inspiring us all to get outdoors, so yeah.
Oh man, means a lot. Means a lot. Cool. So I'm just hiking with Dave, and we're heading up to Carneddau. Just chatting about some ideas on
Absolutely.
YouTube stuff. What kind of kit you carrying today, Dave?
I'm carrying a basic tripod with the DJI Osmo Mobile 2
Sick.
gimbal with my Huawei P20.
How long have you been making YouTube videos?
I've got 2 on my channel so far.
Nice.
Which is not very many.
It's alright, you've got to make a start.
Got to make a start somewhere. So for about, I originally started to think I'd do one every week, but with work and stuff, that went out the window. It's once every 2 weeks, and then eventually, hopefully once every week.
Yeah.
I started just reviewing some gear that I had myself, my sleeping bag and you know my tent and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, it's going well. I have 7 subscribers.
Yes. So if you want to check out Dave's channel, you know, give that little subscribe button a tickle, and I'm sure he'll be happy to chat to you in the comments section. Coming up to a cairn now. I think we're about halfway between Ole Wen and Carneddau. Yeah, this is Carneddau. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm not pronouncing it right, let me know. I'm here with Dave, man the legend. Yeah, next stop, Carneddau. This is the next one. On the top of Carneddau.
Got a bop it.
Well done, Ross. Another 3000s done. Yeah.
Happy days.
There's only a few more left now. Yeah, so that's Carneddau. Now I'm going to head west to Ellen, and then I think our man Dave is going to head east.
Go in the opposite directions, but we shall meet again probably in Snowdonia.
It's been an absolute pleasure.
Brilliant.
Hit me up on YouTube.
Keep doing what you're doing.
We'll do, and then we'll go for a hike someday.
Trail hunter,
Yeah.
the lone ranger. You're more than welcome to come for a walk anytime. All right.
Nice one, mate.
Keep
Dave,
doing
the man, the legend.
Take care, guys.
Okay, so that's Carneddau done. Just had a little break, and now I'm going to head off to Ellen.
Bob.
I literally didn't film that last bit just because the fog is so thick you can't even see anything. But yeah, that little pile of stones, that's Ellen. And now back to Carneddau to then start heading north. Okay, that there is Foel Fras. Ah, man. Now the clouds lifted, I can really see. That's Ellen. came back all the way, and then came across the top of that one. I can't remember the name. And now I'm here, in the middle of nowhere, completely alone. And I love it. Alright, let's just check the old mobile phone. Okay, so the next summit is Garnedd Gwenllian. And it's over there. I can see it. And then I've just got one more to go, and that is Foel Fras. Foel Fras. That's the last one. So not long, but now I've got some clear weather. I'm gonna take some sick footage. Just came down the other side of Foel Fras, and here's that little boffy that I've heard about. Look at this. Let's go inside, shall we? Oh! Oh, there's like loads of sheep turds everywhere. Oh, cool. Yeah. In the boffy. Couple of little benches. That's about it. It'll keep you out of a storm. Loads of writing that's engraved. BT, September 1989. Almost as old as me. Shut the door. Who lives in a house like this? Let's go through keyhole. Fucking existential moment. What the fuck am I doing out here? Okay, so that is Garnedd Gwenllian, I think you pronounce it. I think that's it at least. Because over there, that's the last one. And this one's higher than that one. And this is on the map, so... If you don't think that's it, let me know in the comments, please. And then I'll come back and do it all again. Regardless, I've got one more to do. So do you know what? I'm just gonna hoof it. I'm just gonna hoof it there. Let's just get this thing done.